Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on how to draw cartoons. Today's episode, we're going to learn how to draw American buffalo, otherwise known as the bison. So if you have your pencil and you have your creative hat on and some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. That was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, what can you take home from this lesson? Animals and creativity. Customize them as much as you want. When you looked at this little American buffalo, aka bison, you can see the legs I simplified, and that was the style that I wanted to do. So when you see an animal or creating something, you don't have to go in full detail what the animal actually looks like. You can customize it to possibly something that you like. All right. So I want to say thanks for checking out this video. As always, have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.